Right over there, and they're very intently watching the buffalo, who are moving right over there. This could be very interesting.
The size of that one.
That is a huge buffalo.
That's a huge buffalo.
It's a huge buffalo.
Even the lion.
No, they're too young. The one's gone already.
Don't you think there's a little?
I don't know. I think they're a bit young. I don't know. Maybe.
Oh, he's looking at getting this.
They're getting ready.
They're crouching.
She's quite big.
Does that mean attack position?
Yeah, it's a touch position.
Where's that female?
I can't see it.
This is amazing. They're running away. Big bull's gonna...
Uh-oh. What's the bull gonna do?
Oh my God.
Can we grab the baby?
Oh my God.
I'll grab the baby.
She's
Watch.
going for him. She's going for him. She got him. Oh, she did. She got him.
Baby, he's gone. He's just plucked a buffalo here.
Oh my God.
God, did you see that?
Yeah. Oh my God. Yes.
Unbelievable.
You didn't have fun. They must be around a little. Is it
Oh,
dead?
guys, I'm shaking. Can you believe this? The buffalo are coming to help this one now. Watch.
They're too
They'll
late.
come and help this baby. Watch.
They're too late. Can they help him now, Frank?
Yeah, they can.
He's still alive, you think?
Oh, he's still alive.
My goodness.
Russell for Frank.
They're trying to drag him out. They're dragging him out.
Hulle het nou net 'n kleintjie gevang. Hier's lekker action hier so, jong. Hulle het 'n kleintjie hier so in die water en die trop is besig om nader te kom.
It's on its back. I hope they kill it quickly.
Oh, it's so alive.
Ja, positief. Hulle het 'n klein buffeltjie gevang hier so.
There's a crocodile there too.
Ja, daar's 'n krokodil ook. Daar gryp 'n krokodil ook die kleintjie.
The
Yes.
crocodile. Coming out with
Yeah, check through the banners. The croc's trying to grab the baby.
Yes. Oh, good gracious.
Look at this. The crocodile's taking the baby away.
Oh my God. They're two crocodiles.
They're going to lose it.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
they're going to fight over it.
Because I'm shaking.
Oh my God. Oh, he's coming from huge crocodile. Three.
Oh, look at those dogs.
The lions have won.
The lions are one.
Oh, the lions have won.
Yeah, but look at all those buffalo coming.
I'm running out of film.
No, they're going to come and try and chase the lion, but I think they're too late.
I think you're right. They're way too late now.
They're going to chase him. Come on.
No, they're too late.
You realise it?
Oh, look at the teeth.
Look at them. They're going to
Look at the teeth, Jay. You're too late.
Check this.
You're too late.
You guys, you cannot believe what's going on here. There's a big battle here between lions, crocodiles, and buffaloes.
Look at them all.
Whoa! He swatted at him and kicked at him.
He's gonna get another
He's
one.
kicking at him. Look, he's kicking at him.
Look at him run.
Ja, julle ouens, julle moet sien wat hier aangaan, jong. Die buffels is besig om die leeu's te omsingel hierso. En hulle, want die leeu's het 'n klein njattie gevang. En hierdie njatties wil die leeu's nou bykom. Hulle jag die leeu's links en regs.
Ooh, they got him surrounded.
Ja, jy kan maar kom, jong. Hier's
And that one's
Ooh!
Big boy.
will it go in the water?
You got the lion on him, run.
That little buffalo is still alive.
Brave, give it a piece.
The others are doing though. They're getting them at the other end.
Go on, Buffalo.
Yes, can you believe this?
Never seen that before.
I've never seen anyone.
The calf's still alive.
It is?
Yeah, it's trying to get away. It's standing up.
It is, it's still alive. Oh, is it?
Oh, and they're putting them into the water.
It's standing up.
Oh, he's standing up. He's run away.
And it's
Ja,
Yes,
dat
he's
is back.
gone.
They've got it back.
They've got him back.
They do have him back.
Ja, hierdie buffels het die leeu's weggevat van hy kleintjie af. En
They're going back. They'll have the other ones. They're still chasing him.
We're still chasing him.
Back in with the herd. It's gone. And the two lions
Oh,
are
it's
going back. That's hard.
I've never seen anyone.
Look, they're running. Look at them running.
There's two left.
Gee, they chased him away.
Oh, they're terrified.
But they hooked the one. Did you see they hooked the one?
Dude, they left the one.
And they got the other one.
Come on, Buffalo, go on. And there's another one.
Oh, the big one.
Run!
The leeu's that lion's injured. You see that? But you see that buffalo throw that one in the air?
Yes.
Yeah,
wonder if they-
coming to help us.
These are some more coming. So they're
Yeah, I got him. I got him being thrown in the air.
Njatties het die daai klein njattie se lewe gered en hierdie klomp gonnies weggejag. Ongelooflik.
That's a fight and a half.
That was really something.
Did that one lioness that was lying
How
down
many
there?
buffalo do you reckon there, Frank?
Hey, this little group there must be more than 100. Eh?
Yes.
I mean, if you just take 10.
Yeah.
And he's
He's coming back.
He's fearless, this lion.
No, but he's stupid, he's young. You
Doesn't
better
know when
run,
he's
my
gonna-
son.
Where's the little one?
I've never seen anything like this.
Really? You've never seen anything?
Never seen anything like this. I mean, I've seen it on video but, and on movies, but how's this?
Well, you can sell that video.
Yeah, probably. Should done.
When buffalo attack.
Yeah.